While the phrase 2 steps forward, 1 step back is an annoyingly relatable life experience, it should never be a literal one. If you found out your drivers are going 2 miles forward and then 1 mile back, that's quite a problem, right? It's not very logical, it's not very fuel efficient, or very time efficient. But that's what bad routes can cause. And in turn, it can affect driver pay, your bottom line, your hard-earned customer relationships, and your vehicle health. With EMDECS plus Telematics, planning the most efficient route can be easy. Create a series of stops for pickups, drop-offs, or services, and then simply hit Optimize to find the most efficient route. Watch vehicle trips in real time, review reports to compare planned versus actual times, and so much more to tighten your fleet's productivity at every level. To learn more about our telematics solutions or our EMDECS management system, visit us at www.BrightOrder.com.